There is no doubt that electric scooters have taken the world forward in the fight to find an affordable and less polluting form of transport. With many companies bringing out options that they believe to be worth your money, it can be rather hard to find a bike that suits your needs. One company in the race to win you over is WindGo. WindGo has been pushing the world's transition to a clean, convenient and sustainable energy with their electric scooters and electric bikes. With many options to choose from on their website linked below, it's going to be hard to make your mind up. Well, maybe this video might help. This is the WindGo B3 350-watt electric bike, coming in at under £400. Its design is certainly quirky and not likely to catch your eyes at first, but its compact and portable build will 100% do that. Well, it did for me. So unboxing the G3, you do get everything you need to get this up and running. There is a little construction required and you most likely will have to charge it before its first use, but that can be forgiven. In the box, you really only do get the electric bike, charging cable, and a very basic user manual, along with some installation tools to help you tighten up and bolt everything together. What is going to make this bike so appealing, especially here in the UK and the US, is its easy to fold design. Once it's folded up, the folding size of this electric bike is just 105 centimeters by 20 by just 70. With that, it makes for easy storage in your car or whilst you're on a public transport. The build quality is undoubtedly very good. With the use of high density materials, it ensures high strength and maximum load of about 120 kilograms. And with all this said, it is still very lightweight. At only 14 kilograms, it is very easy to carry. When you partner that up with its quick folding design, it makes for an increasingly appealing form of transport to get away from the congestion on the roads, or just simply an affordable, clean way to get from A to B. Now, the bike itself is very easy to use and it doesn't take an expert to navigate its functions. The seat is completely adjustable to get an optimal saddle height. I'm around 6 foot and it didn't take me long to find a position that was more than comfortable. Granted, its design is rather squashed, you could say, and some may look at this as a bit weird and off-putting, but as I said, it's a trade-off for that fantastic portability and fold-up design. We are using a dual mechanical braking system on both of the 14-inch wheels here, and this does offer an increased level of peace of mind. Electronic brakes can be temperamental, and having the good old-fashioned mechanical options, well, they're less likely to fail. We have also got both front LEDs and a conveniently placed taillight for safer riding in darker conditions. Now, due to different governmental policies with e-scooters and e-bikes, there is a limiter on the European option for the UK. This is limited to 25 kilometers an hour, so it is maybe worth keeping that into consideration. The design of this has safety in mind. With a push to start that 350-watt motor working, you get the essential feedback without the need to do anything else. The pedals have been completely removed on this model, so the push to start is really all you need to do. You can then sit back and let the motor do all the work. You've got this rather nice LED screen that displays your battery life, and while we're on the subject of the battery, this is a 36 volt 6 ampere hour lithium battery, and you get around the maximum range of 20 kilometers. But obviously that is dependent on your driving style, weight load and many other factors. But after a couple days of using this, I still haven't charged it and I've easily done around 9 miles with it. On the left side we have an electronic horn to annoy those unexpected personnel, and on the right acts as your on and off switch for the lighting. It is a twist throttle from the handlebar on the right. You just give a simple kick with your leg and off you go. I will say, for a bike with no suspension at all, it is surprisingly very comfortable to ride on. I took this down to a rather bumpy terrain to film these shots, and there's certainly no doubt it's made purely for urban transport, but it still deals with rocky terrain with ease. When you look at its small form factor and its portable fold-away construction, it's hard to overlook how well they have packed all this into such a lightweight bike. As I said, granted the design and look isn't going to win any awards, but its friendly usability and functionality certainly makes it very appealing. It may take some time for some people to look past not having pedals, but it is something you do get used to rather quickly. If you cycle for exercise, that's fine, but if you need transport to get you from A to B before work or socializing without wanting to get a sweat on, surely an option like this bridges the gap. This bike has definitely been built with safety and easy transportation in mind. Those added lights make you very visible during darker periods, and the mechanical mechanical brakes work rather smoothly. I don't think its longevity can be questioned either, or certainly not in regards to its construction. Granted, lithium batteries do degrade over time, but I think you will certainly get a lot of years out of this before that becomes an issue. All in all, the WindGo B3 boasts the ability to be a fantastic, affordable form of transport in congested, urbanized areas. Portability, distance it can travel, and a well-constructed build quality are only a few of its selling points. If this is a bike that appeals to you, check out the product link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.